Okay, so today we're going to look at solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. We have a problem in front, two simultaneous equations in front of us, x plus y equals 7 and 5x minus y equals 5. The reason we would use elimination for this one is because the coefficient in front of the y is the same and opposite, so it makes it for an easy one. And I'm going to actually label the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add equation 2 to equation 1. So to do that, we write it here. So we've got x plus 5x is going to be 6x. Plus y minus y means we're going to have 0. And 7 plus 5 is 12. So we can then solve that as being 6x equals 12, x equals 12 divided by 6, which means x equals 2. So our next step is to substitute x equals 2 into either of the equations. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to do it into 1 to find y. So we've got 2 plus y equals 7. Y therefore equals 5. And we can test that by putting them both into the equation. And again, I'll substitute it into 1. 2 plus 5 equals 7. But the big test is actually to do it into equation 2. So you end up with 5 times 2 minus 5 equals 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So we know that that is a correct answer. Okay, so again we've labelled our equations 1 and 2. This is a slightly more challenging one just because we've got a 4 in front of the ones that we're trying to do. Again, it's just a subtraction, so we're going to subtract equation. Instead of add, we're going to subtract. And to make it so that we don't end up with a negative, I'm actually going to do equation 2 minus equation 1. And that will give us 0 plus 3y equals 6. Y therefore equals 2. Substitute it into one of the equations. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to put it into 1. Becomes 4x plus 2 equals 10. 4x equals 8 because we've subtracted the 2 from the other side. Therefore, x equals 2. So our final answer would actually be 2, 2 for a point of which these two equations intersect.